How to change username on Snapchat before 1 year. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can change the username on Snapchat before the 1 year limit. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Here on Snapchat, you are only allowed to change your name once per year. But if you want to change it before the 1 year limit, you can try out some workaround. So here it is. So in order to change your username, if you navigate to your profile page and then tap on the settings icon at the top right, and now if you tap on your profile name and if you try to change your username, it says username can only be changed once a year. But if you want to change without having to wait for a 1 year, what you can do is you can create a new Snapchat account, which will be the best option for the immediate change. If you really need a new username, the only way is to make a new account and transfer your friend. So for that, you can simply go to your settings and scroll down and then tap on logout. After that, tap on sign up and create a new account with your preferred username. And now you can add your friends from your old account manually or use quick add. But if you don't want to create a new account, then you can contact to Snapchat support. Snapchat usually does not allow expectation, but if your username has a serious issue like a typo or personal security risk, you can try contacting the Snapchat support. And here's how you can do it. So from the settings page, scroll down and now tap on Help Center. Here scroll down and then tap on Contact Us. Then select I need help with a Snapchat feature. Here you can scroll down and then tap or select on settings. Here tap on other. And if you scroll down a bit, there you will see this kind of form. Here you have to provide your username. Under that you have to provide your email that is associated with your account. And there is a description box. There you need to explain why you need to change your username early. Make sure to provide the valid reason, then tap on Submit. After that, Snapchat support will review your request, and if your request is valid, then Snapchat support may help you to change your username. So make sure to follow all the instructions carefully. So in this way, you can change your Snapchat username before 1 year. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.